Hey, you too. So, this is a video of my cousin, like, torturing my cat. Watching. And it's so funny how the cat just, like, sits there and takes it. Oh, my. Aw. Do you love the cat? Oh, no. Cat.
Hi, buddy.
No,
Bye.
the cat's too lazy to move. He won't do none. Watch.
Have you got the plenty of medicine?
Oh no, candy.
Yeah.
It's his.
It's his?
It's in his bag. Yeah.
What, that hard candy, is it?
Nope.
Let's try
Aw, it's just a baby lovely kitty. Aw, giving loves. Yeah, giving loves. Oh yeah, pull on his tail. Best thing to do. Oh, and the cat like walked away. He's so sad. Oh, what are you gonna do? Look at the mess he made. You gave a baby Cheerios thinking he's gonna eat it, but no. Look, there he goes. Oh, you vicious. What a mess he made. Like, oh my god. But other than his mess, our house, oh, cat's eating it. Oh no. You just had a bar. No, first you had cereal. I put it all over the floor. Alright, so let's end this video, shall we? Okay, ready? So, I'm gonna go. So, see ya, YouTube.